Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this freeze frame video edit on CapCut PC. So select like a background of like a lot of people like just walking and add in a video of you walking as well. Go to cutout and then select auto cutout, and then like for instance maybe you want to freeze it here, just freeze frame it, and then I'm just going to make it a little bit shorter so that it's only like for a moment and then they start walking again. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!